Oh yeah, rise up, rise up, rise up. Ancient fire never done. Let the spirit call again. From mountain, river, and stone. Yeah, man, we still here, still standing. Long time the world been turning cold. Heavy stories left untold. Concrete cities cover the land, but truth still rise like grains of sand. Ancient fire in a iron eye chest. Even when the world try test them very roots beneath the fame, but the soil still call the name. Nighttime silence talk to me, show me what my eyes can't see. Whispers riding on the breeze, moving through the ancient trees. Elders whisper through the stone, say we never walk alone. Every footprint in the ground is a sacred beating sound. From the hills to the restless sea, chains of time don't hold life free. Every struggle, every tear, build a bridge that bring us here. I hear voices in the flame, calling every broken name. Not forgotten, not erased, just returning to its place. Drums of the forgotten son, calling back the chosen one. Beat them strong through iron and red, wake the soul from silent pain. Drums of the forgotten son, ancient rhythm we become, rising up from loss and night, guided by the inner light. Light, light, light. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Concrete jungle full of noise, still I hear the ancient voice telling me don't lose the way. Night must break to bring the day. Every system built on lies still can block the rising skies. Truth don't need no crown or throne, it lives inside the flesh and bone. Rise up, rise up, ancient fire, never done. Call it back, call it back. From the dust we become. Drums of the forgotten son, way calling back the chosen one. Beat them strong through iron and rain, wake the soul from silent pain. Drums of the forgotten son, we are many, we are one. Through the fire, through the storm, ancient spirit still reborn. Rise, arise, arise, arise. From the dust again, we no lost, we just return. lion's got a voice. Ashes don't sleep, they remember. Yeah, ashes fall where truth once stood, burning roots and sacred wood. Fire danced across the land, now it slips through empty hand. Dreams that rise but never stay turn to smoke and drift away. Still the wind carried the name of those who never played the game. Every spark became a ghost of the ones who loved the most. And in the dark where echoes grow, the earth itself begins to know. Silent roads and broken bells carry stories time won't tell. Empty fields where voices cry, still the ground don't let it hide. Every shadow knows the cost of the love that we have lost. Every tear becomes a seed growing from a buried need. Nothing truly fades to dust, it just changes shape and trust. Even pain don't disappear, it just speaks when no one's near. Ashes speak in silence loud, through the fire, through the crowd. Nothing lost that time can hide, truth will always stay alive. Ashes speak, they call my name never twice, yet still the same. From the ruin, from the night, rise the fragments of the light. Stay alive, stay alive. I walk through what used to be, places that remember me. Every stone and every crack whisper things we can't take back. History don't fade away, it just hides until the day someone listens close enough to hear the voice inside the dust. And even when the world moves on, some old truths refuse to be gone. They live in wind, they live in flame, they never fully lose their name. Echo, 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 echo. But truth return another day. Smoke it out, let it breathe, everything beneath the grief. Echo, echo, call it slow. Ashes speak in silence loud. Oh, through the fire, through the crowd. Nothing lost that time can hide, truth will always stay alive. Ashes rise and take their place. No more silence, no more waste. From the dark into the light, truth is burning ever bright. Even ashes got a voice, rise again. From the fire to the end, ashes speak and we listen. Eyes open in the dawn of day, still I rise through storm and rain. Broken roads but steady feet, heart still beats in rebel heat. They try to dim my became desire, not to break but to remain human through the deepest pain. World may shake and systems fall, still I answer freedom's call. No surrender in my breath, even standing close to death. Oh, rise, rise and rise, never done. Lion heart, become the sun. Rise, rise and rise, through the fight, turn the darkness into carry I home now, through the waters of memory. Ancient voices calling from beyond the hills and sea. Changing course, river of ancestors rise, reflecting truth in ancient skies. Wash away the fear and shame, teach the children from where they came. Oh, carry I home now, through the waters of memory. From beyond the hills and sea. I hear voices in the flowing stream, echoes of a broken dream, calling softly through the tide, where forgotten spirits hide. Guiding hands I cannot see, pulling roots inside teach the children from where they came. Carry I home again. River never stop flowing. Spirit never stop growing. Ancestors beside us till the morning light. What is buried still breathing? Roots know the truth. Even when the world forgets, plant the seed in troubled land, still it grows by unseen hand. Storm may shake the tallest tree, but truth still grows naturally. Every crack inside the stone show the strength that roots have known. Rain can fall and fire can burn, still the earth begin return. Voices buried long ago, still beneath the surface grow. Every footprint left behind lives inside the soil and time. Every lie will turn to dust, nothing built on greed can last. Gold and power fade away, truth remain another day. Babylon can hide the page, lock the wisdom in a cage. Still the roots push through the ground till the hidden truth is found. No corruption stop the rain, no deception heal the pain. Only honesty can free what the blind refuse to see. Truth in the soil, deep and strong, righting every hidden wrong. What is buried will reveal, time will break what pain conceal. Truth in the soil, living deep, waking souls from ancient sleep. Every root and every scar show us who we really are. Children searching for the way, trying hard to see the day, but the answers never fall. They live inside of who we are. Nature never speaking lies, river honest, mountain wise. Only man create the sky, still the truth survive the night. From the ashes flowers bloom, life still rise from deepest gloom. Even after all the tears, truth outlive the passing years. Dig it up, dig it deep, truth no sleep beneath your feet. Roots grow strong through the pain, wash away the lies again. Truth in the soil, truth in the soil. Truth in the soil, deep and strong, righting every hidden throne lasts forever. Slipping through a broken hand. Towers rise, then crash and fade. Nothing lasts from lies that trade. Silk and diamonds hide the fear. Still the judgment drawing near. Every promise bought and sold turned to dust instead of gold. Leaders talking through the skies, building kingdoms out of lies. But the poor man know the cost of the souls the system lost. Concrete castles touch the sky, still corruption lives inside. Walls of pride begin to shake from every vow the wicked break. History revealed again, different faces, same old chain. Power drunk on greed and fame, burning people for a name. But the youth them start to see truth becoming clarity. No illusion can survive when the sleeping minds arise. Hollow crown is falling down, no more kings without a crown. Justice walking to the door, Babylon control no more. Hollow crown crumble tonight, truth expose the hidden fight. Every empire built on fear disappear when light appear. Can't silence the beating drum. Judgment day already come. Voices rising from the street, marching steady to the beat. No more blind obedience now, no more bending, no more bow. Every chain begin to crack, 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 as the people take truth back. Fire burning through the night, not for vengeance but for right. Every soul deserves to stand free beneath the Father hand. Fall down, fall down. Hollow kingdom touch the ground. Gold can't save them now. Truth revealed somehow. Babylon fading slow. Justice take control. Hollow crown is falling down, no more kings without a crown. Justice walking through the door, Babylon control no more. Hollow crown fading to dust, only truth survive with trust. From the ashes people rise, seeing clear with open eyes. No empire stands forever, only truth remains. The crown was never solid, just fear wrapped in gold. Rise up now, the walls are falling. Yeah, born beneath the same sky. Through the struggle we survive. Children long struggle, fire and rain, laughing through the deepest pain. Empty pockets, weary eyes, still we dream beneath the skies. Half of dust and half of flame, still we rise and stay the same. Every scar become a guide, every wound we hold with pride. Mothers praying through the night, trying hard to raise us right. Though the road was cold and long, still we answer life with song. Children running barefoot streets, finding rhythm in the beat. Old guitars and broken drums turn to hope for everyone. Some were lost and some survived, still the spirits stay alive. From the valleys to the towns, strength is where true love is found. No silver spoon, no golden gate, only faith against the weight. Still the youth that carry on, waiting for a brighter dawn. Children of dust and light, keep on shining in the night. Every heart will find its way to a brighter judgment day. Children of dust and flame, different roads but still the same. Through the darkness we remain, dancing softly through the pain. Shine, shine, shine. Every soul deserves a chance, not just kings in circumstance. Love was never built on gold, but in the hearts that still stay whole. Even when the world divide, truth and kindness still survive. What we carry deep within, more important than the skin. And the elders always knew, storms reveal the strong and true. From the ashes flowers grow, teaching wounded hearts to glow. Dust and light, dust and light, keep on shining through the night. Children, rise, don't lose your flame. Every soul deserves a name. Shine now, through the storm somehow. Shine now, Ooh, children of dust and light, keep on shining in the night. Every heart will find its way to a brighter judgment day. Children of the rising sun, many voices become one. Through the struggle we survive, keeping ancient dreams alive. Oh, still we rise, still we glow. From the dust into the light. Children singing through the night. Whoa, fire burning through the night. Hear the drums now, sacred flames arise. Rise up, rise up, cleanse the spirit, cleanse the soul. What a dum 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 da dum da dum da dum da dum. What a dum 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 da dum da dum da dum da dum. Oi. What about? all. This is more than just a flame. It's remembrance without shame. Spirit stronger than control. Ancient wisdom in the soul. No machine and no disguise can extinguish what survives. Sacred fire deep within, burning through the fear and sin. Fire, fire, cleanse the night. Fire, fire, turn the darkness into light. Fire, chant it loud, raise it high. Fire, let the old illusions die. Fire burn, spirit rise. Truth reflected in the skies. Sacred fire, chant it loud, lift it higher through the crowd. Clean the world and make it right, burning darkness into light. Sacred fire, guide the way, bringing forth a brighter day. Through the struggle we remain, dancing free beyond the pain. Fire, fire, still burning. Fire, spirit still calling. Rise up, children, carry the flame. Sacred fire never done. Another road, another sunrise. Still searching, still moving. Footsteps carry memory. Time carry the soul. Winding paths with no return. Every lesson Journey never truly gone. Journey never truly gone. Journey never truly gone. Walk on. Roads bend slow, rivers flow. Still we searching what we know. Far away, still we roam, trying to find the spirit home. Roads that never end, they bend. Broken hearts that try to mend. Journey long, but still we go where the ancient rivers flow. Roads that never end, they shine, connecting every soul through time. Through the struggle we remain, walking onward through the rain. Still walking, still learning. Roads never end, they just change direction. Walk on, walk on. Hear the breeze now, softly moving through the bamboo. Nature still speaking, even when mankind stop listening. Wind is talking through the cave, singing soft a healing name. Every leaf begin to sway, like the spirits come to pray. Morning sunlight touch the dew, painting earth in golden hue. Bird song floating through the trees, carried by the ancient breeze. Nature knows what man forgets. Peace is found in quiet steps, not in power, not in gold, but in stories silence told. Bamboo bending with the storm, never breaking from the force. Teaching hearts the humble way, how to live from day to day. River flowing calm and slow, knows the places we must go. Mountains standing still and wise, watching generations rise. Busy world move far too fast, chasing things that never last. Still the forest softly say, slow your spirit down today. Whispering bamboo prayer, breathing life into the air. If you listen you will hear ancient wisdom drawing near. Whispering bamboo song, teaching where the soul belongs. In the stillness we can find peace for every troubled mind. Underneath the moonlit sky, questions fade and fears pass by. Every heartbeat stop too slow as the sacred breezes blow. No confusion whispering bamboo prayer, breathing life into the air. If you listen, you will hear ancient wisdom drawing near, whispering bamboo light, guiding weary souls tonight. Through the silence comes the way toward a brighter, peaceful day. Wind still talking, forest still singing. Slow down now, listen closer. Peace was always here. Hear the factory walls trembling, smoke in the skyline, but the spirit's still breathing. Steel can shape a city, but it can't cage the soul. Yeah. Built on pain, still the spirit breaks the chain. Concrete towers scrape the sky, still the human heart, that's why. Machines moving night and day, turning dreams to disarray. Cold systems counting every breath, trading life for stress and death. But beneath the wires and smoke, ancient fires still invoke. Every worker, every hand carries strength across the land. Oh, machines can try to take control, but they never own the soul. Screens may glow and engines roar, still the people ask for more. Not just money, not just fame, but a life beyond the chain. Every heartbeat still resists through the pressure of the system's fate. Can build a mighty wall, still compassion break it down. No algorithm understand the healing touch of human hands. Steel and spirit side by side, strength of heart we cannot hide. Human fire will never die, even when the systems lie. Steel and spirit rise again through the pressure and the strain. City lights can blind the eyes, still the truth survive disguise. Children searching for a way, trying hard to see the day. Factories and endless noise steal the peace and steal the joy. Still the drum beat in the chest, remind the soul to never rest. No machine can write the song of the people standing strong. Spirit older than the steel, teach the wounded heart to heal. Steel and fire side by side, truth and spirit never hide. Cold machine can hold we soul, human heartbeat take control. may build the walls, but spirit break them down. No factory can manufacture love. No empire can program the soul. Rise up now, human fire, eternal. Morning breaking over the hills after the long night. The light return again. Hear the birds sing, hear the spirit wave. Darkness fades and skies respond. Breaking night we travel on. Golden rays touch weary eyes, painting hope across the skies. Every ending brings a start. Turning to the heart. After sorrow, after rain, comes the healing once again. Mountains glowing in the dawn show the night was never strong. Every shadow slowly run before the rising morning sun. Long was the road we walked through pain, searching through the storm and rain. Still the spirit held the flame, calling softly through the strain. Broken souls begin to mend, finding peace around the bend. All the tears we carried long turn to wisdom in the song.
Ancient voices in the breeze,
So,
flowing gently through the trees.
so
Tell the children not to fear.
better days are drawing near. Return of the first light, ending every endless night. Hope is rising like the sun. Journey back has just begun. Return of the sacred flame, calling every soul by name. Through the darkness we survive.
Now the spirit come alive.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, no. Every river find the sea, every root become a tree, every